We're here on Morton Island, renowned for its sun, its beaches, its sand, the salt water. It's just magnificent. What would make that better? Not much, you say, but I reckon I've got one thing. The hottie from JOOLCA. How about having a beautiful hot shower right in the middle of nowhere? So off-grid, it's ridiculous. This thing's going to make it so much better, hopefully. Let's see what it's all about. So look, one of the most popular things that people bring away camping when you're going off grid is a portable hot water system. You want hot water to do the dishes, to shower off after the beach, to have a nice shower in after the hard day on the tracks. And this thing promises all that, but it does it a little bit differently. Let me explain a bit more. So JOOLCA sent us this up to test. This is the brand new hottie. What makes this different to everything else in the market, I believe, is it's got a tank in the top here. It's got a 13.5 litre tank, which will be good for like 2 showers or 1 really good shower, and a filter in the bottom. So if you do run out of water and you're near a fresh water source, you can, from a lake or a dam, you can put water in here and the filter will keep everything nasty out of that pump, so it still works beautifully well. That's really good. Also in the top here, when you're finished, everything packs into it, so it's one separate unit, complete, ready to go. On the front here, you can choose your exact temperature that you want to shower at or wash dishes or whatever that is you want to do. Dial your temperature in, press start, it just heats it up, recirculates it. Takes a couple of minutes, job's done. Then you got your pump into the shower and off you go. It's as easy as that. Now, it does come with an optional, you got to buy this extra, but it's a power bank. Otherwise, it does come with a lead. You just plug it into your 12 volt source, whatever that is in your car, or a portable electric generator or whatever, but 12 volt in, that runs the pump and heats everything up. Easy as that. So setting this thing up is really easy. As I said, everything packs up into the water tank. So you lift everything out, quick connect for a propane little cylinder. I think you can get an adapter for a bigger gas bottle. And the hose literally on coils, and it's just like a garden hose connection. You plug it in, plug your 12 volt in. You're literally good to go. Fill it up with water, press the heat button, wait 2 minutes, and you're in business. It's that simple. It doesn't take much at all, and it packs everything obviously packs back up into all of this. So that's your unit. You're going to the beach, you're going up into the scrub, you're going anywhere. That's all you're taking. Everything's inside there. Just pop it in your car, off you go. All right, let's talk a little bit about some of the features of the shower head too, because it does come with it. JOOLCA have been making these things for years. When I was talking to them about the hottie, they've been telling me about how many prototypes they've made for this thing. This is developed in Australia by Australian engineers. I think it's taken them 2 years, and I don't know how many prototypes to get to where this is now. This has been thought about properly. It's not one of those things that's just been slapped together. This has been made by people who know what to look for and know what works out here. Shower head, easy, on, off. Look at that. And that's nice hot water coming out. You've also got on this shower head a nice adjustable flow control, so you can have a little shower if you want to save water, or you can have the big dog and just get through it in about 2 minutes. That's lovely. So other features, this does swivel. It all comes apart nice and easy, and there's a hook on there. We've paired it up with the ensuite, the JOOLCA double ensuite, which I bought myself about 6 months ago. I don't even use the one that's on the car anymore. I use this. It's absolutely brilliant. This hooks up. There's clips on the inside to run all the shower hose all the way up, so it's just neat. It looks like it's meant to be there. It all works together beautifully, and you're having a beautiful hot shower on the beach. How good is that? All right, so we're out here. Let's pretend we're doing dishes. We haven't had brekkie yet, so we will do dishes after brekkie, but we want the JOOLCA to be a hot water service for our dishes. Goes up to 60 degrees. I've just set it to 6 degrees. It's got a digital heat gauge. I don't know if there's many other hot water services have a digital heat gauge like this. It'll heat the water up to 60 degrees, which is too hot to have a shower, but beautiful to wash dishes in. What's good about it, I think, is there's no wasted water. So there's no water coming out of here. It's not just running water until it gets hot. It's recirculating the water inside the tank. So you're not wasting anything. While that's heating up, you're off doing something else. You're just waiting a couple of minutes and you're done. When it does heat up, it's literally on and off, and the water stays hot in the tank. So you're not waiting for it the gas to reignite, and you're not waiting for that cold water to come through before the hot water comes through after it. So it's actually really frugal with water. So you're not wasting water, which is, nobody wants to waste water anyway, but especially when you're camping, because you probably don't have heaps of it with you. So this also comes with a magnetic holder that'll go under your car. So you come off the beach, you can rinse off nice and easy. Or you can stick it on, it's obviously magnetized here too. Stick it on there, we can fill our sink up to do our dishes. It's just easy. Now look, we've been on Morton for 3 days with this. We've all used it, there's 6 of us here, so it's had a hard couple of days. And we've been trying to think about, because JOOLCA have sent this and they said, we want your honest feedback. I'm really struggling to find a negative here, and I do want to find a negative. I'm struggling, and I don't say that lightly, and I'm not just saying it because they sent us it. A consideration maybe might be that this, and they said on their product sheet, these little bottles should get us about 15 showers, which is heaps. You bring a second one if you're going on a long trip. It's not a negative, it's just what it is. Everything needs gas to run. Other ones I've used in the past had an inbuilt lithium battery. This doesn't, but the power bank is really good. When you're not using it to power the JOOLCA, you can charge your phones, you can run other stuff off it. It's actually a power bank too, so that's not a negative either. I'm struggling to find it now. I'm not saying it. I really want to find, because I only use gear that I truly believe in. This is coming with me in every camping trip. I love this thing. The shower, when you're in there overlooking the beach, you've got this stream of hot water. You're not wasting any water. It's easy to set up. It's easy to use. It's easy to pack away. JOOLCA, you've hit this one out of the park. All right, in conclusion, look, this thing ticks all the boxes. I've completely been sold on this. This will be coming on every camping trip with me. What I love is I've worked out over the last 3 days that 42 degrees is my temperature. That's what I like to shower at. Digital gauge sets it to the exact same temperature every time. Wait for it to heat up, beeps at you, turn the shower on, have your shower. It's literally as easy as that, and it all packs up into one bit, so you can't forget everything. You don't need buckets, you don't need any of that stuff. Chuck a comment below. I would love to know what you think of this system, and please do remember to subscribe, because it does really help the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.